Hi there, today I'll show you how to install R and RStudio on your Windows system. Let's dive in. First, visit the R project website. Click Download R for Windows and select the base subdirectory. Once downloaded, run the installer. Stick with the default settings and click Install to finish. Next, head to the POSIT website to download RStudio Desktop. Choose the free version for Windows. Open the RStudio installer. Follow the prompts using the default settings and click Finish. Now open RStudio. In the console, type print R and RStudio installed successfully and press Enter. If you see the message confirmed in the console, your installation is complete and ready to use. Remember to always install R before RStudio. Happy coding with your new R environment.